Income is possible with the right affiliate marketing strategies. Even the most intelligent people out there will falter at times when getting into an online business. That's just the unfortunate nature of the beast. The net is exceedingly competitive, and a business model like affiliate marketing can be very cruel. This is why you need to read these tips about marketing. If you're just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. Affiliate marketers should always be experimenting with different styles and techniques. Since the internet is in a state of perpetual evolution, your affiliate campaign should be, as well. Some things you try are not going to work, but you simply will never know unless you try them out. Experimenting is the way to go. When affiliate marketing, include as many examples of the products you are trying to promote. Create videos, screenshots, or any other way to demonstrate that the product does what it is claiming to do. Be very specific when describing, explaining, or reviewing each product you are linking to. It will encourage people to make the purchase. When attempting to market your product to your respective niche market, you have to use Wyatt Earp's wisdom here. You need to take your time in a hurry. Make sure what you're putting out is clean, accurate, and very market friendly, but you also want to make sure you're acting quickly enough to bring customers to your business instead of losing them to another. A great affiliate marketing tip is to only join an affiliate program if you can see yourself being a customer of that company. If it looks like a company isn't churning out impressive results, or if their sales letter doesn't look any good, you should move on to a different company. Now that you understand a few ways in which you can increase your affiliate presence online and work to profit, you can see why other people are failing. It's very easy to overlook tips of this nature, even for intelligent, business-minded people. Make sure you don't miss out. Use these tips to increase your brand. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.